Hello, in this video I want to show you how to perform first setup on Google Nest Wi-Fi Pro. And to do this, first of all, you need to download an app called Google Home, and after you download it, we can move on to the Google Nest Wi-Fi. So you grab one of those devices, and then on the back you can find the power slot and also the network slot and your internet source slot. So on the left right here I plugged in my main internet source, and the right plug is to connect other Nest devices. So in this case I'm setting only one. Of course you can do the rest of them, just connect one to another and then you'll be good to go. So now open the app, navigate to your devices, select Add Device, then Google Nest or a partner device. Now you need to choose your home, and if you don't have it, then create another one and we can proceed. So our Nest Wi-Fi router have been found, and in case you have a problem right here that your device is not detected, just wait around 5 minutes since you've connected it to the power and your internet source, and the light right here should be blue. And after that we can proceed. And now we need to scan the QR code on our Google Nest device, and it's located right here on the bottom. So here we have it, our device is connected. Now we can pick a room where it should be located. I'm going with the attic. Then we can create the name for the Wi-Fi and the password as well. Help improve Google Nest Wi-Fi products, and in this case, yeah, let's go. Turn on Nest Wi-Fi cloud services. Let's do it as well. Save your Wi-Fi network to your phone. Next. I think we need to connect ourselves with the Wi-Fi, so open the Wi-Fi settings on your phone and then connect it to the one that you just created. Enter the password. Now it's connected and we can go back to the app. So let's just go back, because sometimes those apps are left out like that. But as you can see, the setup afterwards is finished. So we can set up also multiple devices if you want. In this case, as I said, I just want one of them, so I'm clicking no. Want to set up another Wi-Fi device? Not now. Stay in known, no thanks. And there's also updates, so now the update is downloading. It will take around 5 to 10 minutes, but that would be it for this video, since we just connected our Google Nest Wi-Fi Pro with our smartphone. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.